Good morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the dollar-yen pair and the recent events stirring the markets. Javier.
The dollar-yen pair has remained as is in the last session. The ADX remains in positive territory. The euro-dollar pair has remained muted in the last session. The ADX remains in the negative zone. The Aussie-dollar pair has remained as is in the last session. The MACD remains in the negative zone. The price of crude oil has traded sideways in the last session. The RSI remains positive.
Thanks, Javier. Moving on to the latest updates in world financial news.
For the first time since 2005, the U.S. is expected to make a bigger contribution to global economic growth than China, according to economists. European central bank officials will set policy this week against a backdrop of investors betting on a global upturn, even as the Eurozone remains mired in pandemic lockdowns and painfully slow vaccinations. Oil rallied to the highest in nearly 2 years in New York after OPEC Plus shocked markets with a decision to keep supply limited as the global economy starts to recover from a pandemic-driven slump.
Thank you for this, Javier. Coming up, today's major economic events.
The U.S. 3-month bill auction will be released at 16:30 GMT, Germany's industrial production at 700 GMT, Japan's gross domestic product at 2350 GMT. Japan's leading economic index will be released at 500 GMT, Japan's overall household spending at 2330 GMT, Japan's gross domestic product annualized at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of us all here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in for the latest news and events from the financial markets.